Hello and welcome to the first tutorial on how to set up Unity on your system for use in the Introduktion to Kreativ Udvikling course. This tutorial will show you where and how to download Unity, to create a new project, and to set up your preferred code editing tool for scripting inside of the Unity engine. So first things first, you can go and head to the Unity student page to sign up for a Unity student plan. Unity is a free tool, but as a student, you are granted some extra perks in the form of a free Unity Pro membership while you study. Under the post-secondary student heading, press Get Started and create or sign into a Unity account. Once you have your Unity account, you can now find and download the Unity Hub tool. Go to the download page and select Download Unity Hub. This is by far the easiest way to manage your Unity projects, Unity installations, and licenses in one place. So once you've downloaded it, you can install it like any other program on your system. Next, we'll need some way to edit the code we write inside of Unity. Unity will force you to install Visual Studio, which is an IDE developed by Microsoft. What exactly you use is up to you. There are a ton of different options out there, but for the purposes of these tutorials, we're using a text editor called Visual Studio Code, which is open source, but managed also by Microsoft. It can be downloaded and installed from this page here, and you can just download it and install it like any other application. Next, we suggest you download and install two extensions for working with Unity inside of VS Code. So the two extensions are C# support, which gives you C# information like code highlighting, suggestions, and it even allows you to debug your C# code. And also the Unity snippets add-on, which just when you write snippets, it can speed up code by autofilling for you. So these will basically just assist you and make your life a bit easier when developing specifically for Unity. Once installed, you can now open Unity Hub. You can click on the icon in the top right and sign into a Unity account. Once you signed in, you might need to go and activate your license. Your product serial key can be found on your account page on Unity's website. In Unity Hub, under the Projects tab, you'll be able to see all existing projects that Unity Hub can locate on either your system or shared with you through Unity Colab. You can also see what version of Unity these projects were last used with. Bear in mind that while this can be changed, changing the engine version might have significant effects on the project and might cause it to not be able to function as it did before you change the engine version. To add an existing project to Unity Hub, you can press the Add button. This might be needed. You might need to do this if you received or downloaded someone else's project off the internet. So to create a new project, press the New button in the top right. This will by default use the latest version that you used. If you want to use a specific version, click the arrow and select the desired version. I'm going to be using the 2020 LTS version for this, as it's probably going to be the most stable while still retaining the most amount of features. So in the new window, you get some options for template projects to create. It's important to bear in mind that these are all fundamentally the same, and any features can be taken out or added later, even if your template doesn't include it from the get-go. Some templates will require you to download additional project files before starting. To start, I suggest taking either 2D or 3D base template using Unity's built-in renderer. The universal rendering pipeline and high definition rendering pipeline are significantly more complicated, and you are not expected to understand or use any of those tools on the first semester. Then select a location to store your project and give it a name. Once this is finished, the Unity editor will launch. Now, for the last part, once you've launched the editor, we want to select Visual Studio Code as our default code editor. This can be done in Preferences by going to Edit, Preferences, and then changing the code editor here. Now, whenever you click on a C# script, it will automatically open inside of VS Code. And that's it for the first episode.